Hubby said that something didn't feel right and called his brother to ask them to send over all their bills, expenses, and pay stubs so that we could look at it and see what we could do to help, which they did reluctantly. I ran the numbers 4 different ways, and no matter how I ran it, there was no way for me to be able to find how they could pull out of this, and in all honesty, they are very much bankrupt. The long story short of it is that they are filing bankruptcy next month and will be moving in with us, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, and 3 kids. Our house will be maxed out. Here is where I might be the jerk. In order to maintain their appearance, hubby and I are the only ones who know. Then tonight, we had dinner with the family, and we heard brother-in-law and sister-in-law talking about the neighbors and how they are going on vacation in a couple of weeks, and next year they are going to do something. Hubby and I listened in on this for a few minutes, and they kept going, and I got upset and went storming into the living room asking what the heck they were thinking. First it was, how dare I leak this information without their approval? Then it was basically, they said that they had a lifestyle that they have become accustomed to, and once this bankruptcy was complete, then they would have extra money to move on with their life, and it's not fair to them or their kids to have to completely change. I reminded them that it was their lifestyle that is exactly what put them into bankruptcy, and they need to learn to better manage their money. So, am I the jerk for telling my brother-in-law and sister-in-law that their lifestyle is what put them into bankruptcy? Edit due to character limit. To tie up any questions, my brother-in-law and sister-in-law and family move in. They're going to be living with us rent-free, and will just have to cover their personal expenses. This is to help them get money saved up, so that they will be able to find a place of their own. Hubby and I are planning on getting new cars next year. We were originally going to use our cars for trade-ins, but now we are going to just sign our cars over to them and put extra money down for a down payment on our cars. Hopefully in a year, maybe less, they will be able to move into their own place. They will be moving the kids' college funds into other people's names so that it will not be touched in the bankruptcy. Edit 2. Hello everyone. So first I want to thank you all for your comments and advice. I want to assure you that I have read all and have taken all into consideration. This was extremely eye-opening. When hubby and I made the decision to do this, it was made in a hurry, and we admit that we didn't completely think the whole thing through. Thanks to all of you, we saw all of the red flags, and in all honesty, we both were feeling the same way, just not sure how to talk to each other. So basically what it comes down to is that brother-in-law, sister-in-law, and family are not moving in, and are not getting our cars. After last night's dinner conversation, both of us saw how much they don't think this is a serious matter. And if that's the case, then they are never going to take us seriously living with us. They need to figure this out on their own. We had a Zoom meeting this morning with hubby's other sibling, and they are all telling us the same thing. Not to let them move in with us, and not to let them have our cars. They all agree that they need to hit rock bottom as well. They still have some time before all this goes through, so they have time to save up for a place that they can move into, and maybe find a way to get different cars. I put together a budget that will work for them. I have resources that will help with different things as well. I made them a budget spreadsheet like what we use for our finances. I have a friend of mine who is going to try and find a place that they will be able to rent while they come through the worst of it all. Taking any of them in is an absolute last resort. I feel horrible for their kids because they're going to miss out on the money because of this. They're most likely going to lose their college funds. They never did anything wrong, but they are going to have to pay for their parents' mistakes. If they were not underwater with their house, they could have sold it and just paid off a lot of the debt with that profit. But at this point, nothing is going to help. Had they not lost their jobs last year, they would have been okay. Both at the time had high executive jobs that afforded them to do all the things that they had done. But their new jobs and salaries just don't have that much power at this point to pull them out of it. We are going to have to get their parents involved in this, which both are in their 80s. They might actually have to get an advance on their inheritance to get moved. I don't know. Hubby and I feel that we have done more than what we should have done. So now it's up to them. Edit 3. About the college fund. They're just basic savings accounts. All 3 kids are not at an age where they can hold their own bank accounts without a parent's signature. So while they have their names on the accounts, brother-in-law and sister-in-law are also on the accounts. So they're going to lose out no matter what. Well, what would you do in this situation? Would you let them move in with you? Please let us know. I sure wouldn't. I might put up a tent out back for them though. Equal pay for equal work. I used to work in a medical lab, and all of my teammates were male, and I am female. I did almost twice as much as anyone else, and got paid less than anyone else in the same position in the entire lab, including females. Eventually,